It's grim, isn't it? Boggy, marshy. We're almost up there, the Devil's Stones. Top of the Devil's Stones. It's a pretty cool wild landscape, moorland landscape. There's some good bouldering to do here, better in the summer, it's not so wet. Stage is to cross the moor. It's a very wild landscape, this moorland. It's quite remote, nice sort of remote feeling. Won't see any other walkers up here on an average day. Great views of the Skirrid and into the Black Mountains. It's cool. Maggie's having more fun than any other walk of recent times. Just at the summit, nice views into the Black Mountains and the Skirrid. Down soon. It's pretty grim here, it's freezing. It's just a return journey through this sort of quarry area. Taking the descent path through the woods. Should be back hopefully in about 10-15 minutes. Really good walk, really quiet, and it's been well worthwhile. It's been really nice. I haven't seen a single person, which is always a good feature. Really good day.